Jai Srimanarayana. 20th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Gunan Yetan Atityatrin Dehe Deha Samudbhavan जन्म मृत्यु जरा दुःखैः विमुक्तः अमृतम् अश्नुते। ओम You should be aiming at getting released from this birth, death, old age and sorrows. You should be aiming at experiencing and enjoying within yourself, that is Atmanubhavam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall always aim at getting released from this birth, death, old age and sorrows. I shall also be aiming at experiencing and enjoying within myself, that is called Atmanubhavam. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamruta drava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 281st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya bite Krishna's chest and he rotated his body around Krishna's body and surrounded him. Then all Krishna's friends, they have seen that Alokya tat priyasakhaha pasupaha bhrusartaha Krishne. All the Gopalas have seen Krishna's situation there, and they all got scared at once because Krishna is everything for them. Gopala's Atma is Krishna. Gopala's Suhrit Ardha Kalatra Kamaha. Gopala's friend is Krishna. And Gopala's wealth, spouses, children, wishes, everything they dedicated to Krishna. For them, everything is Krishna. Such Krishna now being tortured by Kaliya, Gopalas were unable to bear that and saying that, thinking like this, Ademana Krishnunin Karachi, భుజంగము మేన చుట్టుకొని మానకయున్నది ఇంక ఏమి చేయుదం ఎటు జొత్తుము అయ్యో అయ్యో వాట్ కెన్ వీ డూ నౌ కాళియా ఈజ్ బైటింగ్ కృష్ణ కాళియా సరౌండెడ్ కృష్ణ నన్ ఆఫ్ us are able to fight with Kaliya. Where can we go? Where can we run? Like that they are all looking at Krishna, they are all looking at Kaliya. By looking at Krishna they are moving towards tears, and by looking at Kaliya they are getting scared with those mixed emotions. They all got fainted. And all other gavo vrusha vatsataryaha krandamanaha sudukhitaha. All the cows, baby cows and bulls, all of them while looking at Krishna, they are moving to tears. And they are all saying Amba, Amba, like that. They are all craving for Krishna. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 14th chapter 20th श्लोक. गुणान्येतान् अतीत्यत्रीन् देही देहसमुद्भवान् जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैः विमुक्तोऽमृतमश्नुते. गुणान्येतानतीत्यत्रीन् देही देहसमुद्भवान् जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैः विमुक्तोऽमृतमश्नुते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.